This zone is about to get clobbered by a monster squall. We've got 20 minutes to evacuate the survivors. Good luck.
Storm creeps!
Survivor in danger!
Please help! I need help! You're the best!
Keep up the good work.
See you soon. Sorry.
Ah, a hearty medium roast. I feel more like myself already.
You think I could get a handful of that coffee?
Sure, Lars, but usually coffee comes in cups, not handfuls.
Whatever you say, little robot. But if I sleep, I'll have that dream again.
Wait, you're having crazy nightmares too? We'll get you some coffee, Lars.
Make it 2 handfuls, please.
Thank you. I was getting worried. I know it's a lot to ask. I really can't leave without it. It's somewhere nearby.
Check your map for the location of the medkit.
A little help?
Thanks for the pick-me-up. I can't do that dream again. Steel Wool is on stage. Lights come up, and suddenly my fingers just forget how to play. The audience turns on us, throwing bottles and demanding refunds. And then they start screaming. I'm not sure what, but it sounded like boo. Steel Wool does not hear boos.
Is this where I get in line for some caffeine? You guys will never believe what happened. I had the craziest dream. I'm setting up a movie marathon. I put the movie on, and on the screen I see myself in front of the screen putting a movie on. And on the screen I see myself in front of the screen putting a movie on. Have I gone fully meta? Am I in a time loop? Am I stuck in a rerun?
Something is up. Nightmares are catching. Survivor in danger. Here you go, Dennis. 1 coffee, no milk, and way too much sugar. Just how you like it.
I will conquer the world with my alertness. Then become jittery, paranoid, and unable to control the volume of my voice. Oh no, it's happening! Why are you looking at me?
I guess I should tell you all. I had a nightmare too.
Why didn't you say anything?
It's embarrassing. I was trapped in a room full of puzzles. And they should have been very easy puzzles, like the kinds for kids or really smart birds. But I couldn't figure it out. These bright floodlights come on and a crowd is just staring at me. Well, I can't fit the one circle inside the bigger circle. It was ghastly.
Want some coffee?
Please.
We need more people like you.
Saving lives. Another one.
Can't. You serious?
Thank you. I was getting worried. I know it's a lot to ask. I really can't leave without it. It's somewhere nearby.
Check your map for the location of the medkit.
And see. Nope.
Survivor in danger.
There's too many of them. Getting swarmed! I could really use some help!
Life saved.
Can't. Whew. Wish I could. Sorry. You serious?
Good save.
Thank you. I was getting worried. I know it's a lot to ask. I really can't leave without it. It's somewhere nearby.
Check your map for the location of the medkit.
They live. You're done here. Wish I could.